Aloha, and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making grilled salmon collars with a spicy Ponzu dipping sauce.
In a small bowl, add soy sauce, mirin, tempura sauce, daikon, lemon juice, lime juice, Tabasco. Mix well and set aside. Preheat your grill on high, season collars with salt and pepper, and grill for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. When done, the fish should be nicely charred and the flesh cooked through. Serve the salmon collars with the dipping sauce on the side. Enjoy with your favorite side dishes. For this recipe and more, visit KTASuperstores.com/recipes.